Hello, Valeo Fit. All right, I am your coach, Amanda Russell, and today I am talking about what I'm sitting on right here. I'm giving you a really quick video today because I need to talk to you about something that I've been having trouble with, which is back problems. I have been having really bad back problems, and I know that it's because of my laptop life and my phone life, which is all of us, right? I'm always like hunched over texting or on my laptop computer, and it is giving me such bad back problems. And so one tip that I got was to swap out, which is nothing new, but I never actually gave it a try before and didn't think it would actually work. And I swapped out my office chair for an exercise ball. This is from ValeoFit.com, who I love to work with, and they sell all the best home fitness equipment for really affordable prices. So you can check out this ball and all the other, they have every size and every kind of piece of workout equipment on ValeoFit.com. But I have been sitting now on this ball, and I'm not kidding you, my fingers crossed, but I have said goodbye to my back pain thanks to swapping this out with my desk chair. So this is not a workout video today. This is a tips video that will keep you able to work out, because I was super grumpy when I couldn't work out for several weeks and trying everything under the sun, chiropractic and cryotherapy and PT and you name it, and it was the ball that helped me, just because it's something that you do for so many hours a day, right? That it was just like exponentiating the problem. So head over to our website, ValeoFit.com, and check out, we have various sizes, different sizes for different heights and different weights and different exercises. Get a few of them, use them for different, I know that I have a couple different sizes, and some I use for different heights of tables, some I use for different exercises. So make sure, and so don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys back here next week for an all new workout.